You have tuned your favorite YouTube channel, Primary K Pankh with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. Good morning, dear students. In our today's video, we are going to know about paragraph writing. And in our today's video, we will know about a very important paragraph writing on Mother's Day. So be ready and now know about a paragraph on Mother's Day. Okay. So let's start this paragraph and know one by one and line by line. Number 1. There are different days for the celebration for different personalities. Number 2. Mother is the only personality who brings us in this colorful world. Now we will know about number 3. So look the next line for the paragraph on Mother's Day. Number 3. She teaches us how to stand, how to walk, how to run, how to speak, what is good and what is bad. Number 4. She cares us on each and every good and bad situations. Number 5. She never tires from morning to late night and does all work for us. Now know the next line, and our next line is line number 6. She bears all hazards for their children, but she never wants to look any trouble in her children. Number 7. For that personality who does everything for her children, it would be unfair if there wasn't a special day. Number 8. This is the reason that Mother's Day is celebrated on second Sunday of May every year for the respect of this great personality. Now we will know about next line, line number 9. On this occasion, we give handmade gifts to our mothers and we promise to her for never hurt. Number 10. It is said about mother that mothers are the surprise creation of God, for they hold a bit of God in themselves. So these are 10 lines on Mother's Day. And by watching this video, you can easily write 10 lines on Mother's Day, and you can also add some more lines in this paragraph. I hope you have understood these all lines carefully, and you can write a paragraph on Mother's Day very easily. We'll meet again in next video with a new and interesting topic. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a nice day. Goodbye.